And tell me what you think about students seeing themselves in these spaces. Why is that important, do you think?
I think it's all about representation. So if you see it, you can be it, right?
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff Kim, and so glad to be out here at Irvine Valley College. Many have heard of this amazing place, but I think few have visited, and it's truly a gem in Irvine, a resource in the community. The past semester, I had a chance with President John Hernandez to actually have a tour of this beautiful campus. But today I'm here on campus because we're talking about CTE pathways. And so we're meeting with all these different individuals from the university, from career workforce, and seeing how we can continue to strengthen that pipeline.
Today we're doing the CTE ICT PLC. It's a series in which we're pulling together each pathway to come together and bring the middle school and high school teachers who are teaching within that pathway. Today again is computer science.
Incredible opportunity to learn from the College Board.
28, we'll be launching AP Networking. So if you're teaching networking, you have questions about networking, I'll touch on.
We are so close to IUSD. My kids go there. One is Sierra Vista. That to be as your perfect assistant. It does inbound, outbound coding. It's like your intelligent communication assistant, right?
So this lends itself to the topic of AI literacy. And let's break it down to kind of 4 categories of this. First is engaging with AI. It's knowing when it gets used and understanding that there are limitations with AI today. We need to foster curiosity and the following of the curiosity more than ever. Students building projects and showcasing it online is one. The ability to not just build something for the sake of building it, but trying to solve some problem, whether that's, hey, let's make a chatbot that helps us learn XYZ topics to prepare for this test. Or that could be, some real world examples of we see a problem, how can we use technology to solve that problem? Let's build some simple tool that helps. Summer school, 6th grade, building a popsicle stick model of my school. I think back on that, once in a while, and it, taught us about architecture, it taught us about engineering, it taught us about building, it taught us about collaboration, and we were hands-on.
Go about, like, what are the steps that you would take to solve any kind of problem? So it's again, like, let's not stop the storm, but let's steer the storm, right? Like, so how do you get this tool to solve problems, right?
I essentially focus on getting the career aspect into our classrooms. I'm focusing on getting industry speakers into them, getting more collaboration with the career partners that we have, starting more all of the ships that we have, internships, mentorships, apprenticeships, all of these amazing.
So you're saying if a teacher reaches out to you, you will get connected, you will connect them to someone in our community,
Yes.
arrange field trips, all kinds of stuff.
Yes, definitely. That's my goal. That's what I want for the students. The teachers already have so much on their plate that I want to be a resource for them and be able to help them alleviate some of that stress and still get those opportunities for their students and also have some experience for themselves.
And this is just such important work. And really for me, focusing on career development in K6 and K8, middle school and elementary school is where it starts, getting students curious and engaged in all of this career exploration so that once they get into high school,
This is an opportunity for them to share best practices, ideas, for us as a district to understand their needs and wants. But what makes today even more special is we really have brought in industry experts from college and universities to companies and also College Board to talk about the direction in which computer science is going in the world, in industry, even in universities, so that we can better prepare our students for a career within computer science if that's what they so wish.
we have a lot of great things coming up, but there might be some walking field trips to our high schools to explore CTE spaces, as well as IVC tours for our younger students, just to get a sense of what kind of future careers there might be out there for them. Hopefully that's going to fuel the excitement for great things happening for high school and beyond.
As we think about providing the highest quality of education we can envision for our students, that includes shortening the gap between school and what's happening in our schools with the real world. So looking forward to some nice productive dialogue with others and learning more to support this vision.
If you see it, you can be it, right? So if you see yourself being out there, seeing different types of people in different types of careers, knowing that you're able to attain those things, that's the first part of, achieving your dreams.